Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn more shells on Dress to Impress by beating the dance floor. So, oh, I'm second, okay. That's weird. Alright, so, I'm just going to go here. As you can see, there's this white dove boat ship. You're just going to jump on it, and you're going to dance on the shells. As you can see, it says, fill the party meter. It's more helpful if there's more people on the dance floor, by the way, so it fills up a little bit quicker, I think. So people have been asking like where you're supposed to find these shells. You're actually going to find it in the daily tasks here. You can't really see it at first, but if you scroll down, it says beat the dance floor and you'll get 30 extra shells each day. So in total, you get around 65 each day if you finish the daily tasks with the dance floor as well. Again, you just have to go to daily tasks here and just scroll down and you'll find it here. Then you can just select claim once you have beat the dance floor. But again, you have to fill the party meter. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.